This is Knowledge Universal College. This is Knowledge Universal College. This is Knowledge Universal College. Knowledge Universal College. This is Knowledge Universal College. Knowledge Universal College. Sitting in the universe, living a good life. Sitting in the universe, living a good life. It is our attitude to the experience of life that makes us what we are. Our feelings and conditions that becomes emotionally intertwined. Energy of ego makes men tough. It's our attitude, the experiences of life that makes us what we are. It's our feelings and conditioning that becomes emotionally intertwined with energy of ego makes men tough. Universal love has no boundary. Universal peace has no limited treaty. Universal harmony has no country. Universal in love, no boundaries. Universal, some peace, no treaty. Universal singer harmony, make melody. This is Knowledge Universal College. Knowledge Universal College. Knowledge Universal College. Knowledge Universal College. Yes, it is our reaction and moral attraction to the forces of nature's vibration that gives us our views decentering. It is our feelings that makes us support worldwide with the news of terror and fear. This is propaganda breaking asunder. This is Media Night's views, so true. It is telepathical communication. This is endurance, sweet confirmation. This is living red hot, real free.